Are you searching for a budget mechanical keyboard under $100 that still feels premium? Well, today, I've got something special, the Epomaker TH108. This is a full-size 100% mechanical keyboard with tri-mode connectivity, gasket mount design, and a massive 8,000 mAh battery. I've been daily driving it for 2 weeks, and in this review, I'll cover everything from the unboxing to the typing sound test, so you know if it's worth your money. So, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll get the TH108 keyboard itself and a user manual, a high-quality braided USB-C cable, 2 extra cream jade switches, a switch and keycap puller. Pretty straightforward, but solid, and the packaging protects everything really well. Now, onto the design. The TH108 comes in 2 colorways, black and a beautiful blue and white edition. I've got the blue and white and it looks stunning. It's a 100% keyboard layout with 108 keys, so you've got a full numpad, dedicated function keys, and even shortcut buttons above the numpad for volume and calculator. On the back, you'll find toggles for switching between modes and between Windows or Mac OS, plus a USB-C port. The case is made of thick ABS plastic, and the keycaps are PBT, durable and solid. There's also side RGB strips that really give it that gamer aesthetic. Build-wise, this thing feels premium, with almost no flex or wobble. This is where things get interesting. The TH108 delivers an amazing typing experience. The cream jade switches sound deep and thocky thanks to a 5-layer foam design, including IXPE, PET, porin, and silicone dampening. Typing on this keyboard is smooth, cushioned, and just satisfying. The PBT keycaps have a slightly soft, rubbery feel, which adds comfort, and of course, it's hot-swappable, so you can swap out switches anytime. Honestly, for under $100, the typing sound and feel are outstanding. RGB lovers, you won't be disappointed. The backlighting is bright, and you can customize modes with shortcut keys or via Epomaker's software. The side strips can also be controlled separately, which is a nice touch. Now let's talk battery. This thing packs an 8,000 mAh battery. Epomaker claims up to 28 hours with RGB on and up to 160 hours with it off. In my real-world testing, I saw about 20% drain after 3 hours with full RGB effects, which is actually really good. You'll easily get weeks of use between charges, and tri-mod connectivity supports Bluetooth with about 11 milliseconds latency, 2.4 GHz wireless with 5 milliseconds latency, and wired USB-C with just 2 milliseconds latency, perfect for gaming. I tested all 3, and honestly, they all worked flawlessly. Pairing is quick, switching between modes is smooth, and I didn't notice any lag, even in Bluetooth mode. So, is the Epomaker TH108 worth buying? Honestly, yes. For under $100, this thing is a steal. You're getting a full-size layout, premium-feeling build, gasket-mounted comfort, hot-swappable switches, tri-mode connectivity, RGB customization, and insane battery life. The sound is deep and satisfying. The typing feel is smooth, and the design is clean but still flashy with the side lighting. If you're new to mechanical keyboards or just want a reliable daily driver without breaking the bank, the Epomaker TH108 is absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed this review, drop a like, subscribe for more budget tech reviews, and let me know in the comments what keyboard you're currently using. And if you want to check out the Epomaker TH108, I'll leave a link below so you can grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.